Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's vlog, I am going to review collagen supplement. Alam niyo naman na na-addict tayo sa collagen. And this is from Wellspring. So, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my experience with this supplement, and this is in the form of gummies. So I like the taste of this kasi nakasealed pa to nakakainom ko lang ng isang brand, so medyo tinitipid-tipid ko rin to, but actually nakaka 4 bottles na ako, and these two are bago. Paano ba to? Hindi ko ma-flip yung camera. So, this is 4. And then, I have here, 2. And, nakaka-4 na na ako. Empty bottle. So, meron na akong rights para i-review to. So, paano ba to? So, ayan siya, guys. Hindi ko mahawakan lahat And I don't have tripod. Kaya, yung aking other right hand is holding this iPhone, kasi sa phone lang ako nag-vlog. So, yun siya, ito. Kita nyo, empty bottles yan. And sorry sa dumadaan na aeroplano. And then, I need to edit this one. Paano ba? I'm sorry, this vlog will be unedited kasi wala akong time mag-edit edit, guys. So, ito yung bago, kaka-purchase ko lang yesterday. Those came from my, let us say, hindi ko naman masabing commission kasi 1.5 lang yun pero thanks God, diba? Kesa wala. So, I decided to take 2 collagen, and since this is the last 2 collagen in our store, and for all you know, I'm working in a beauty makeup, not beauty makeup, in luxury, sabihin na natin luxury store, pero slash you can find local items. And sorry, sumisegue na tayo. We're back to our topic, and yun nga, yung topic natin is the Wellspring Collagen Pro supplement, and it's in the form of gummy. Sorry kung paulit-ulit ako. Again, disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Since nakaka-4 na bote na ako, I think I would share my experience, and it is written here that it is made of 700 mg collagen. And sinasabi pa niya na premium Japanese collagen. And guys, hindi naman niya minention dito kung kung galing siya sa fish or cow. And mostly kasi sa cow, guys, yung mga na-try ko, mostly sa cow bovine collagen it's in the form of powder. Parang wala pa ako nakikita, guys, na gummies. So mostly si gummies or tablet are made from salmon and fish collagen. And yung medyo mahal na premium collagen na na-try ko na until now I'm still taking is si Mossview. Si Mossview naman came from the horse placenta. So imagine nyo, syempre yung placenta is na from horse it's hard to gather, or it's hard to paano ba i-harvest ba tawag, the right word. Parang mahirap makakuha ng horse placenta. So siguro this is a little bit cheaper kasi yun nga, it's made from yung collagen naman nakukuha din siya sa I think dun sa Mossview may nabasa ako na eggs, but I don't know what kind of eggs ba, or is it egg yolk. So sorry kung lumalayo na ako. So yun, yung taste niya, it's not too sweet, in para ka lang kumakain ng ng candy, pero gummy bear, pero hindi siya ganun ka sweet. Yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And kaya rin ako nag-take nito kasi since 2 years na ako nagtitake ng Mosview, so I have to take it 2 tablets daily na lang, and hindi ako nasasatisfy sa 2 tablets daily, and I can't afford to take 4 times daily ng Mosview kasi ang mahal ng Mosview, guys. So this one is only 449. You can buy it in any Watson store and in Look at Me store kasi si Look is operated by Watson. So minsan out of stock siya. Sa other store naman, I mean sa Watsons, hindi rin siya available. Sa Watsons naman, sometimes they had the Watsons generic collagen tablet. But this one, guys, is masarap kasi. Meron pa ako natikman, nakalimutan ko yung brand, and I'm reviewing one brand na bago ko lang tinitake, kaya nakasarado pa tong dalawa kong collagen na reserve kasi I got that brand na naka-discount from Lazada. It's Sulit Sweldo sale, kaya tinry ko na rin. Sabi ko sa inyo, addict ako sa collagen. When it comes to collagen, ask me anything and maybe I can answer you. Even yung collagen ni Avon, i-review ko rin siya one of these days. Medyo sinisipag ako mag-review ngayon because tomorrow is, I am now closing ship. So, today is November 30. Bukas, busy na naman tayo, guys. Actually, kaka-upload ko lang ng vlog last 3 or 4 days. Naka-up na siya ngayon. And I would like to thank yung mga nanonood, still watching my vlog kahit medyo hindi na ako active sa YouTube and medyo wala na ring background music yung yung edit video kasi hindi ko na ma-update itong iPhone ko. And yung bago ko namang phone, hindi rin ako makapag-edit doon ng vlog. I don't know why. I tried to take a video, pero parang naglalag siya, maingay. So, I think I need to invest in a good cellphone or yun, mas madali kasing mag-edit and mag-upload sa cellphone eh. So, yun guys, sumahaba na yung aking vlog for today. I think my final verdict when it comes to collagen from Wellspring, okay naman siya. I cannot raise my 2 thumbs up, but it's 2 thumbs up for me, guys. So if you are searching for affordable collagen, and this one kasi madali siyang nguyain lang, you don't need to kasi hindi naman lahat nagkakape. So yung powder kasi you need to dilute it on the water before you can drink, and the problem with the powder, some of the cheap powder collagen may amoy and may aftertaste. So this one is I can say very affordable, and I would recommend this collagen gummy bear. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my future vlogs. Bye guys.